Darlene called it her Menopause Bible. Candy said it answered questions that she didn't even know she had. And Carmen said she had never seen information presented quite this way before. Three different women, three different journeys, one thing in common. They finally had a book based on a framework that made sense of everything they were going through. That framework is my signature MenoMade Simple Method, and the book is Decoding the 80 Symptoms and Side Effects of Menopause. And in this episode, I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works. I'm Tafiq Akhir, Mr. Menopause here, your go-to source for reliable menopause and healthy aging support, and welcome to the Menopause Made Simple show. Now, most women come to me doing the same exact thing. They're managing symptoms one at a time. Googling one thing, trying something for a week, moving on to the next thing when it doesn't work. And the reason that approach keeps failing isn't because the information isn't out there, but simply because there's no framework connecting it all together. And that's what the MenoMade Simple Method gives you. A way to move through every single symptom you're experiencing with clarity, context, and a clear path to relief. Now, it has three basic steps: assess, address, and ascend. And the book is structured exactly around those three steps. And the first step is assess. This is chapters 1 and 2 of the book. And before you can address anything, you need to understand what's actually happening in your body and why it matters. Chapter 1 explains what's really happening to your body during menopause. Not a surface level overview, a real explanation of the hormonal transition that is driving every single symptom that you're experiencing. Chapter 2 explains why all 80 symptoms matter. Most resources cover maybe 34. The symptom gap between what most women are told and what they're actually experiencing, though, is one of the most significant reasons that women feel dismissed, confused, and alone during this transition. Assessing means asking the right questions first. What is this symptom, and how does it connect to what's happening hormonally in my body right now? At home, the assess step changes everything because when you understand what a symptom is, you stop reacting to it with fear and you stop lying awake convinced that something is seriously wrong with you. Instead, you start approaching your own experience with clarity instead of panic. At work, it changes how you show up. Instead of white-knuckling it through something that you don't understand, you have context, and context gives you options. And socially, it changes how you talk about what you're going through. You stop minimizing and you stop saying that you're fine when you're not, because you finally have the words for what's actually happening. The second step is to address, and this is chapters 3, 4, and 5 of the book. And once you understand what's happening, the book gives you every symptom broken down across 3 categories. Chapter 3 covers your changing body, which is the physical symptoms, the ones that you can see, feel, and measure. Chapter 4 covers what's happening in your mind, the cognitive symptoms, the ones that make you question your sharpness, your memory, and your ability to think clearly. And Chapter 5 covers your emotional landscape, the mood and the mental health symptoms, the ones that make you feel like a stranger in your own life. Each symptom is broken down the same way every time: what it is, how it connects to menopause, 3 immediate first steps, what else helps, and when to bring your healthcare provider into the conversation. Not generic advice, not a list of things that might help, a specific, structured breakdown of the exact symptom that you're dealing with right now. The address step is not about fixing everything at once, though. It's about knowing exactly where to start. At home, it means that you have something concrete to offer the people around you, not just an explanation of what you're going through, but a plan for how you're managing it. At work, it means that you're not just surviving your symptoms, you're actively supporting your body through them, which changes your energy, your focus, and most importantly, your confidence. And socially, it means that you stop waiting to feel better before you show up. You start showing up while you're in the process of getting better. And then the third step is to ascend. This is chapter 6 and 7 of the book. Chapter 6 is about when you need medical support, how to know when self-care isn't enough, how to find a menopause-informed healthcare provider, and how to prepare for the appointment and advocate for yourself. Chapter 7 is your next steps, from knowledge to action, because understanding your symptoms is only half of it. The other half is knowing how to move forward with that understanding in a way that actually changes how you feel day to day. See, ascend is where knowledge becomes transformation. You stop feeling like menopause is happening to you, and you start feeling like you're moving through it confidently. That shift changes how you experience this whole menopause transition. Now, Darlene described the book as a roadmap to managing all the shifts in her body and mind. She's ascending. She's not just surviving her transition, she's navigating it. Candy said she perused the topics and gets lots of information in a short amount of time. She's also ascending. She's not overwhelmed by what she doesn't know. She's building her understanding one symptom at a time. And Carmen said she finally had the answer she needed. She's also ascending. She went from searching to knowing. See, I wrote the book because managing menopause doesn't have to be overly complicated. When you assess, you understand what's happening in your body and why all symptoms matter. When you address, you go directly to what you're experiencing. You get your first steps and you know what else helps and know when to get support. When you ascend, you move from confusion to clarity, from fear to understanding, and from surviving to navigating. This framework is laid out perfectly for you to follow in the book, and it's available to you right now. The first 2 chapters of the book are yours completely free so that you can start building the understanding today. The link is in the show notes. But right now, I do have another video that can help you make sense of your menopause experience. Click the video on the screen to watch.